everybody, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to take this plain, clear, rather dull Christmas ornament and transform it into this lovely glittered ornament. To create this project, there's a couple of things you're going to need. You're going to need to grab some polycrylic. This you can get from anywhere. A hardware store, Walmart, you name it, you can grab it. So make sure you have some of that on hand. You're also going to need some glitter. I like to use fine glitter for this, but again, whatever your personal preference is. I'm also going to be using some squeeze bottles to pour it in, as well as a red Solo cup to drain it. Those two are not necessary, but I do highly recommend them. So, and of course, you're going to need your Christmas ornament. Once you have everything you need, we're going to jump right on in to applying the polycrylic to our ornament. The first thing you want to do is you're going to want to take the top off of your ornament. Once you have done that, I'm going to take my squeeze bottle and I'm going to put some polycrylic in here, and I'm going to twirl it all the way around. For easier use of putting the polycrylic into each individual ornament, stop at the Dollar Tree and grab some of these squeeze bottles. These are 2 for $1 and they will make your project a lot easier. Now, the reason we're doing this is going to be what is going to make our glitter stick to our ornament. So you do want to make sure that you see the polycrylic everywhere. If you don't have polycrylic somewhere, it is not going to allow the glitter to adhere. So just take a moment and make sure that it goes all the way around and everything is nice and covered. Now, as you're getting to the top and you're wondering, how am I going to cover this without, letting it drip out? Just do the best you can to get as much as you can at the top covered. Then once you turn it upside down to dry, it will take care of that excess little bit towards the top. To dry the excess polycrylic out of the ornament, grab either a red Solo cup and or this little Dixie cup, depending on the size of your ornament, and you can put it in here upside down and it will catch all the excess polycrylic. I'm going to take the red Solo cup because this is a larger size ornament, and I'm going to turn it upside down and it is going to fit perfectly to allow it to sit and just let the excess drip out. Now, I'm not letting the polycrylic completely dry. I just want the excess out so I don't have a big, huge clump at the bottom of my ornament. Once you see that it's not soaking in polycrylic, you are good to go for your next step. So for the next step, you're going to grab your glitter and you're going to have hopefully a funnel of some kind, or you can make on paper like I'm going to do today. I just took a little piece of this paper and I'm going to shape it into kind of a funnel just to make it a little bit easier. Next little tip I have for you is take the same cup, same ornament, and then voila, turn it upside down like this, or sorry, right side up, and now you have an easy way to hold it while you apply your glitter. So as you can see, that red Solo cup is coming in quite handy with this project. So now take either your funnel or your makeshift funnel and just go ahead and apply it like so. You're going to put your glitter, getting that ready to roll, and we're just going to go ahead and pour the glitter. The next thing you're going to do after that is you are going to either put your finger over the top or some kind of piece of paper towel, something to keep the glitter from coming out, and you're just going to shake it. Oh, I did a bad job of putting glitter over holding my finger over the top and glitter just flew everywhere. Don't do that. But yeah, just continue to shake it and cover it around. See, as you can see, it's mostly covered here, but I do have a bare spot here. So in that case, I'm going to kind of shake the ornament to where any of the excess is going to come on the inside here, and voila, that is now covered. And you can just kind of go over it, look for any bare spots that you think need a little extra help. Put it upside down again using the red same Solo cup that I have here to tap lightly the edge of the ornament. This is just to get the excess from just pooling in the bottom of the ornament. And this is now basically done. We are going to let it dry, and once it is completely dried, I will go ahead and put the cap back on it. Now, this part is important to note. You want to make sure it is completely dry, because if you put this in while it is not dry, you're going to see these have little sharp points here, if you can see that. And that is going to cause it to scrape and mess up the design. So make sure it is completely dry. Give it a while. I would say if you have the time, maybe a day, if not just at least a couple hours to make sure it's good and dry. And then when you are done, you have a beautiful, beautiful Christmas ornament. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already.